we interrupt our programming, this is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of North American Aerospace Defense Command. A massive launch of nuclear missiles has occurred, and are heading towards the United States. Estimates are that over 250 nuclear missiles are heading for the United States. Impact is expected to occur within the next 15 to 30 minutes. Exact points of impact cannot be determined at this time. Everyone in the entire United States, including Alaska and Hawaii, should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. If no fallout shelter is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a strong building. Get to the most interior portion of the structure, and place as many walls and dense objects between you and the outside as possible. Have a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter, and only come out if instructed to do so by local authorities. Nuclear fallout will also result from these missiles. Exposure may result in injury or death. Do not leave your shelters after impact occurs, as fallout may rapidly spread to your area. The President will be speaking across most stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KERA. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This station will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.